nice Chennai, good climate. And it's my great pleasure to welcome everyone here. You see, this is the main child of our President, Mr. Narayan, who himself is an auto engineer. And with this direction, every year almost we are celebrating like that. And this gives opportunity to look into the new technologies. So I welcome you, sir. I welcome the partner, Madam President, who happened to be the founder, President also. So I welcome you. And it's a great pleasure again to welcome the chief guest of the day, Dr. Bhajan Rao, who happened to be colleague line because I did a lot of product for the NATO and in the defense. And so I welcome you, sir. I also welcome the CVD director who happened to be, who will be Dr. Stu Kumar, who is here with the CVRD. And today is again a great pleasure to welcome very good authorities in the subject. First one is Professor Chang. He has come from Taiwan. I welcome you. And then we have Professor Hanuman, who has done wonderful technology on the vehicle design. He is who looks into both the integrated design, material, system, and whatnot. So again, I have the pleasure to welcome you. And then we have a very great old friend, Professor Snyder. Professor Snyder is from Sarduken, from the Fraunhofer, our CSIR partner in the and I welcome you, Professor Snyder. It's a great pleasure to welcome you here at this podium. We have also got Professor Bernard. He is from France and he is also working on the solid rotor design. You see, there are many artifacts of the product when you go to Auto. This one which is very, very popular. Sir, it's my great pleasure to welcome you here. Well, then we have got Professor Santri. We have been working, he has been working with the student. He has been, it's a great pleasure to welcome you in this forum. Then Professor Kharak is, I don't see him here. He was supposed to be here, he has been associated with us. He is also from the Defense Development Organization, working together in many ways. Then I have a great pleasure to welcome Professor Mike from Michigan. He is the man who is doing a wonderful job on lightweight, automobiles and the lightweight and low cost. Because the weight is the problem, and he is the one man who is doing a wonderful job in this direction. We have got then the Professor Mike. He is also from the Institute of Composite Materials. Actually, the functional materials, composite materials are setting the trend. Because there is no materials in this world. There are two centers. Either you go to the deep sea, or you go to Afghanistan, what is called these mountains. That's why Afghanistan is very important, and deep sea ocean mining is also very important. And this is a very good area. I welcome you, sir. You are working on this domain. I want also Professor Pant. Professor Pant, I don't see him from IIT Bombay. He has done very good work on the light materials. He says material brightness in the air in this outside. So he's not there, we will have a good time. Then we have got our old associate Professor Srinivas Murthy. And Murthy is from Agar. We work together with Kota Sahab and all that. When we did for this light convector from IIT, with this trainer, or NH helicopter. He has been very great contributor to the subject. Then Professor Sundaram, he is from Ashok Leyland. And then of course we have very important man from the branch life, where we are also pursuing good project, Dr. Victor. And so I welcome you, Dr. Victor. I also welcome the distinguished participants, distinguished professors, and distinguished, what is called, the media people who have come along with, because this is a very, very important subject. Important subject in a sense, because this Chennai is a hub for auto and aero. we have a very successful program. Our good landmark has come. Well, there are two people who are very important to this organization. One is our Vice President. I hope he will stand up. He is the man who is very active, has done a lot of changes in the system. And his partner, my daughter, Mahalakshmi Kishore, who is managing the show team here. I hope you will be nice to see. So the show partner is doing a wonderful job. And I assure you, if this Chennai has to become the hub for aeronautical, because ancillary industry, then I think we will play the Veltec, which represents the engineer in India. You see, we will do a great service to the nation. Thanks to my president, to everybody, who was part of this domain. We do a lot of ancillary projects. We have the best design group. NCs, what is called the NCs, we have Scatia and all that go into the system. Already I started to work with the design system. We work with the unmanned, vehicles also. Variety of product in the gateway code and other code we work. And I think we will see how I request my students to find these good people who are here to have a good introduction to develop the project. Like Prof. Snyder is going to be here for 10 days. I hope he has promised me that we will have a good project with you. So dear students, come forward and work. I look forward. And with this, I welcome everybody. I welcome the media person. I welcome also those who are attending, those who are participating. And thank you very much for this opportunity to me. Thank you very much, each one and everyone. Thank you.
I request Dr. U. Chandrasekhar, Director, Engineering Staff College of India and Organizing Chair for ICAR 2014 and the person behind the ICAR Group 2014 to give an overview about the conference.
Respected Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Founder President, Trustee Mayor, Vice President, dignitaries on the dais, the faculty member, invitees from abroad, and most importantly, the eventual benefactors of this particular conference, the students, who bring a lot of enthusiasm. It gives me immense pleasure to be providing a brief account of IDAC 2014 as organizing chair. As an young institution which has got a clear focus on quality teaching, research and industry engagements, Veltec Technical University is always at the forefront in taking up several initiatives which can provide a lot of impetus to the technology education in the country. Setting up of an international quality automotive engine test facility, a high quality road test facility for the aeronautical sector are some of the very important path-breaking initiatives that have been taken on by Veltec R&D University in the recent times. If you scan across the economic growth, industrial growth and overall progress of many countries, you can see clearly the innovations of the automotive and aeronautical sectors come to the forefront. It is these innovations which are clearly the harbingers, the forerunners in making sure the momentum of the industrial growth is always kept intact. It's only but natural that a technical university of the quality of Veltec has to create a unified platform for bringing together researchers, scientists, students and faculty members on a single platform so that the information connected with technological innovations can be shared and a spring road is created for creating the careers for the young students. We are seeing in several media there are going to be remarkable applications connected with unmanned autonomous vehicles, smart materials which can repair themselves, functionally graded structures which can provide lightweight, high-strength modules, versatile simulation and analysis packages, focus on integrated vehicle health monitoring, so that we can be assured of safety and integrity, product life cycle engineering practices, and innovative manufacturing interventions. Rightly, the speakers for this 3-day conference are going to be focusing on some of these topics, and it's a matter of great pride and privilege for us to declare now that we have got some of the extremely talented, renowned professionals from the countries like Germany, France, Taiwan, USA, who are going to be participating in this conference and sharing their insights into the technological innovations. Complementing these efforts, we have got a lot of speakers from national laboratories like DRDO, CSIR, DST, many IITs, and also several technical universities from different states of the country. These speakers are going to be providing a well-rounded presentation focusing on quality, productivity, and more importantly, emphasizing the need of innovative spirit in taking up these endeavors. Energy and environment and creating sustainability are very important. Incidentally, they are paramount to current situation. And these topics definitely lay a foundation. The countries and the economies which are proactive in ensuring that technological innovations are fostered and catalyzed always continue to be the leaders. And we have also seen that industrial giants who have taken for granted that technological obsolescence is not going to create any impediment to the growth have fallen by the wayside. And in this regard, the mantra of the success in the current generation is to connect, collaborate, and co-create. The conference IDIAT 2004, envisioned by Buildtech, is one such effort which strongly believes that we are going to grow together by connecting, collaborating, and co-creating many activities. The current scenario talks about engineering without boundaries. There is no demarcation between one branch of engineering compared to other branch of engineering. The information flow across the countries is almost instantaneous. The resources are shared without any impediments that are caused by the physical barriers. A proactive research student from Buildtech R&D University can gain access into the world's best technological laboratory provided he is suitably prepared. This particular conference is a reflection of this kind of a thought process by which the students of Buildtech University tomorrow, in the years to come, can be the resource persons for the world's best innovative laboratories. For a university to go to the top of the league, we need to strongly believe in technical excellence, perseverance, innovation, integrity, and commitment. These are the values which are going to be creating the sustenance for the growth. And we strongly believe that the proceedings of this particular conference are going to be providing all these catalysts to foster the innovative spirit among the fraternity of the University. I thank you for this particular opportunity to provide a brief insight into IDIAT 2014. Anything which has got I in the front, like iPhone, iPad, has seen remarkable success and acceptance among the users across the country and world. And I sincerely believe that IDIAT 2014 also will see great level of acceptance among all the stakeholders. Thank you.
I request our respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Veena Satyanarayana, to address the gathering.
Very good friends. I respectable great visionary, Honorable President, Honorable Chancellor, Colonel Professor Dr. Rangarajan, Madam Shikuntala Rangarajan, and my good friend, today's chief guest, Professor V. Bhutan. Today's guest of honor, Dr. P. Sukumar, our highly learned and collaborative institutions abroad Germany, France, for supporting institutions abroad and members of this institution who have been with us, the eminent personalities and awards, and our respected Chancellor, Director Academics, and our dynamic young Vice President and Madam Chairperson, the Trust, and distinguished scientists and academicians from different research organizations and also from the different human institutions, and my young energetic youth class of India, my elder friends, very good morning to all of you. And as Vice Chancellor, Lieutenant of the Management, the Administration, faculty, staff and students, welcome all the dignitaries, participants, sponsors, and all the students to this August International Conference on Innovation, Design, Analysis, Development in Automobile, Aeronautical Engineering and Automobile Engineering. Here, this concept of choosing IDET is very innovative because the design, analysis and development is very much required in every discipline, because today the development is in the transdisciplinary, because one discipline cannot do many of the progress. We need to have a interdisciplinary concept to build the development of the any product or service. My friends, the design starts with the analysis, synthesis, analysis, and optimization. It is an entire process, and redesigning, and finally you have to come up with the final design. The design in any aspect is required towards the optimization, the cost, the performance, the quality, and also creative concepts. And today, whatever design we are going, that should be a great design. And here, this Meltech University is one of the universities which is promoting those innovative concepts, the quality teaching and also the research are parallelly going and say, I think this is one of the university which is leading in the research. Sir, our chief guest, on the universities, I can say, in this university, there is no acting of funds to promote research, and our faculty are all well qualified and doing very good research, and I think growth of the research in the university is exponential, and tomorrow our end products improve balance, and as rightly pointed out, there will be resource persons, not research organizations all over the world. I hope today all the delegated participants have fruitful sessions for the innovative design analysis and development in practice. Because
I wish all of you have a comfortable and happy interactions and way to come the platform to learn yourself and interact with our international intellectuals as a vice chancellor has volunteered. Please very good on this platform. I wish all of you good luck and please do progress and show the United institutions is one of the leading institutions in the world. Good luck all.
To show our gratitude, I would like to call upon our Honorable President to felicitate our Chief Guest, Dr. V. Vijay Rao, Director General, DRDO. Once again, I would request our Honorable President to felicitate our Chief Guest of Honor, Dr. P. Shivakumar, Director, CDRC. Thank you, sir. Before I call upon Dr. P. Shivakumar, scientist head, outstanding scientist, took over as director, CDRD, will emit from 25 March 2010. Dr. P. Shivakumar obtained bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering in 1980 from College of Engineering, Delhi. He worked as an engineer in MS Tower and Structural Limited, Pataliam for 1 year, and Telecement India Limited, Chennai for more than 2 years before joining DRDO. He started his career at Chennai for more than 2 years before joining DRDO. He was awarded Doctor of Philosophy by Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Chennai. In 2011, World Research Group entitled High Quantum of Radio Theory. Dr. P. Shivakumar worked more than 2 decades in design development of transmission systems for tractor and wheel vehicles application. During this period, he developed 800 HP automatic transmission, 150 HP automatic transmission, mechanical steering system for ingenious system for RT MBT transmission. He is also the recipient of the following awards: National Design Award in Mechanical Engineering from the Institute of Engineers, Defense Technology Spin-off Award, Scientist of the Year Award 2010 for DRDO, National Design Award 2012, the National Design Research Forum of the Institute of Engineers. Now I'd like to call upon our guest of honor to address the gathering.
Dr. V. Vijay Rao, Chief Controller, Director General of Naval Systems and Materials from DRDO, the chief guest of today's function. Professor Sri R. Rangarajan, the founder of this institute. Mrs. Sahutala Rangarajan, Vice Chairman of this institute. Dr. R.P. Vajpayee, Chancellor of this institute. Professor Pila Satyanarayan, Vice Chancellor of this institute. My friend U. Chandrasekhar from the Stone College of India in Hyderabad, and other dignitaries mostly from the other countries, professors from this institute as well as from other institutes, lecturers, the students, the future pillars of our nation. Very good morning to all of you. I am very delighted to be here on this inaugural function because the subject is very interesting. The innovation practices in both auto and aerospace industries. This is very, very important today. You all know that today we are leading not only in auto, we are slowly progressing towards the growth of our aerospace industries. If you see the title, I Dare, I recollect only one thing. When Mr. Rangarajan started this institute here, maybe I don't know, 20 years back, the motive from behind this give education to the students. Maybe he
has mentioned this I dad because father gives education. Again he reiterates, I am the dad and the father for giving education to the people. So I am very happy to see that the progress of this institute towards giving education to the many students from various parts of the country. I am very happy, sir. I continue my sincere wishes for people like you to bring education, because today we are all very proudly saying that the younger generation of India today in the world is going to lead our country towards the Kalam's vision of 2020, that is converting India to a developed country shortly. For this strength of education is very essential. That is the main strength of India. Younger generation with education is going to be the main core strength of our India. Today, the mantra for whether it is Auto University or Aero University, for anything, mantra should be first time correct. The days are gone. Today, we have to achieve the goal in the first time itself. Why? Because today technologies are available. All kinds of technologies are available today. If we utilize very efficiently, effectively, we can achieve the mantra first time correct. Today, the focus of this seminar is going to be on that line, briefing about the various technologies, practices today available for these two areas, namely auto and aerospace. You can recollect the olden days and today what are the new technologies. For example, today from drawing board we are going to the computer creating two-dimensional, three-dimensional models. Finite element analysis to identify the stress concentration points as well as make the administration with respect to making volume. And today we talk about computational fluid dynamics. So we can identify the required reactor for the purpose of engine in given tanks. And we talk about dynamic analysis. So today, whether you call auto industry the right comfort, you can derive and design itself how we can achieve the right comfort by use of the present chart. And that is dynamic analysis point of view. You can actually design and we determine the G level how much the drive is going to face. You can easily find out using the dynamic analysis. And of course, the digital markup and the virtual reality make you to walk into the chamber. It means the configuration of the systems for an auto industry, aero industry, we can make it by this process. Earlier days, the development time used to take a lot. Reason is making the prototype, doing trials and other things. But today, by use of graphic programming, you can visualize the product. It means the manufacturing cycle also is going to be shorter. And coming to manufacturing area, today there are machine tools available, 5-axis machine tool, polymer machine, all kinds of facilities are available, starting from the design to manufacturing. Today, while doing design itself, we have to take care of lot. Design for manufacture, design for assembly, design for inspection, design for maintenance. It means that design is the primary thing. We have to consider all kinds of parameters so that the product becomes first time. So it is very essential for that. Coming to the product, the testing is very important. Before offering a product for the public utilization, you must do the testing. So we start from component level testing, then we go to the subsystem testing, then we go to the system of systems testing. Ultimately, you have to see how the product is durable. So it means you conduct an end user test, and by the process you certify, yes, the system is ready for first one correct piece. So it means design, manufacture, assembly, then again testing. All this process make your product a success so that the user is going to be using the product in a very satisfactory. Coming to the areas today, technologies even in the auto sector. Today electronics is coming like anything. You all know that earlier electronics in the ambassador cars was nothing. Today you are seeing that the percentage goes to 30 to 40, shortly it may go into the higher side. I am talking about the electronics, controls and other things. Today power steering from hydraulic are doing the electrical power steering, and if you go in car, if you take it, you have all kinds of things controls, whether it's the seat control or environment control or light control, even suspension control, electronic power control, management and distribution transmission. So electronics plays a major role in this. Not only that, the attributes, The attributes are very important. Today people are, auto industries are concentrating on how to design the handle of the gearship lever. How you can handle it a better way so that the driver feels the comfort. Coming to the steering handle, how the steering handle is supposed to be with respect to the radius and handling damage and other things so that the driver feels comfort while driving the vehicle. So all these things are taking measurements by means of conducting various trials and get the data with respect to the force we could do in a proper optimum way. Important parameter today is the noise and vibration. That's the NDX. You all know that today is very important. It is very essential to know and identify. Yes, of course, while designing user, we can take care of this image phenomena. Today, the noise and vibration factors are very important. It has to be taken into account while designing user. Lot of experiments have to be done to determine these things. So, what we can do in the stage of design user, so that you can see that the NDX problems are also minimized in the design user. Of course, auto industry's main problem is regulations, CABR regulations today, we call Euro or Bharat norms of fuel and emission, all these things. Keeping all this in mind, today we are moving from the fossil fuel to the other area of hybrid electric vehicles. Yes, it is very essential today, keeping the energy in mind. It is very essential to work for the organic fuels with respect to electrical cars, hybrid cars. Hybrid is going to become a very, very reality very soon for even high power vehicles. Today it is available in the form of low power vehicles. It is going to be in the form of high power vehicles. The hybrid concept is going to become a very, very good reality. Now, why I said the advantages gained by our organization, Combat Vehicles Research Development and Establishment and part of DRDO, in the past 2 to 3 years, we could generate 2 major products, MBT Mark II, Arjun, Mainband and Mark II, and another product, Catapult, all by adopting these kind of technologies. That's the reason why we could say that successfully these products are launched and accepted to user. So, the technologies available are how we are going to use it so that we can get the product success. Coming to the aerospace industries, there is a difference. Auto industries, the reliability point is 90% is same. But if you go to the aerospace industries, the reliability factor goes to 99%. It means you are jumping from L10 line to L1 line. So reliability is very important because you are flying, you are not on the ground. That's the reason why the certification process is so stringent in the case of aircraft industries. Being in the CDRD, we are also developing and supplying subsystems. For example, today the light combat aircraft KJAS is flying with our gearbox, that is accessory gearbox, made of magnesium alloy with high-speed gears or something to the tune of 16,810 RPM with high-speed balance and also hydraulic flippers. So we basically knew that what kind of criticality is there in the certification process. It means you have to do whatever I said earlier in the auto industries. The design, manufacture, assembly, testing, inspection, all these things have to be taken into account. But keeping the parameter of reliability, 99% is of 90%. So this is very essential. Today in our country, there are 2 major agencies. Our seminar part of DRDO, they do the procedures, documents, all for this kind of aircraft components. And another thing called our REAP, the quality assurance team, they certify by carrying out the experiments and tests. So by this process, starting from raw material, is not there in auto industries. Auto industries we design the gear for the environment. For example, if you want to select a gear, whether it's a case or steel or 200 steel or 900 steel, we design by the strength, we design by the properties, we go by that. But in the case of what you call aircraft, the material, if you want to select a magnesium alloy or another steel for any application, the material has to be certified by the what you call certifying agency. Without certification, not a single component will go into the aircraft. Such a stringent procedures are there. So these are 2 agencies. They see that the components are, materials are, all these things are taken care so that the product really goes for the flying test, it will be success. So what is the mantra today? Again, I believe the point is today, first time success is possible because of the technologies available in this. Another important point, DRDO, you know very well, is sponsoring many of such events. The reason is very simple. DRDO institute interaction should result in education, science and technology, and technological focus with respect to the future thinking should come fast. So I am happy, my colleague, I think Mr. U. Chandrasekhar, earlier he was working in gas turbine research establishment in GTR in Bangalore. Today he is working as a director of an education institute. It clearly shows the strength of the program, this seminar is going to give an eye-opener for you how we can do design, manufacture, assembly and testing and make a product first time success. I take this opportunity to thank the management of this institute for giving me and staying here with me for this occasion. Thank you very much.
So that was really informative. Now we have a release of conference souvenir. I request our chief guest, Dr. P. Bhujangar Rao, to release this souvenir. Our guest of honor, Dr. P. Shivakumar, will receive the first copy.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Please.
Bhujangar Rao, PS and CC, R&D. Dr. V. Bhujangar Rao, distinguished scientist, joined DRDO on 19 May 1973 at DRDO, Hyderabad, and later moved to NSTL on 8 July 1975. He has also been given additional charge of DG, Naval Systems and Materials. He has since served the organization in various capacities and became its director from April 1, 2006 until he moved to DRDO headquarters and took over as CCRND on 1st April 2011 and continued till December 2012. He was appointed as CCRND on 1st Jan 2013 and currently he is CCRND from 1st March 2013. Education, MSc Physics, Acoustics, Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati, MS Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, PhD Mechanical Engineering, Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, Hyderabad, PhD Technology Management, Navy Naharya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. Awards and honors: Commodore Rao Memorial Lecture Award for Best Technical Paper, DRDO Technology Award for Studies on Gas Turbine Vibration, Scientist of the Year for 1993, Silver Medal from Acoustical Society of America, Organizational Excellence in Innovation Award, Stanley L. Elrich Gold Medal from Indian Regional Center of Acoustical Society of America, DRDO Technology Leadership Award. Specialization: Dr. Bhujangar Rao has specialized in broadship technology, weapon hydroanalysis, submarine design, integrated naval stealth and technology management. He has patented infrared signature suppression devices for equipment that exhaust of diesel engine on ship and airway attack with infrared seeker missiles. Now, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. V. Bhujangar Rao, Director General DRDO, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Dr. Rangarajan, owner of this prestigious institution, as Shivakumar said, head of this institution, Mrs. Rangarajan, Honorable Chancellor Dr. Bajpai, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Vilas Narayanan, a former colleague at Chandrasekhar, Dr. Shivakumar, distinguished foreign invitees, Dr. Chain, Dr. Thomas Peter, Dr. Michael, Dr. Snyder, Dr. Herman, many other eminent directs of people on the dais,
invited speakers, delegates, most important people, students, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Very good morning. This particular international conference, which I have chosen, Innovation, Design, Analysis, Development Practices in Aerospace and Automobile Engineering, ICAT. I think it's a very right topic chosen for our country. Both are important topics. Aeronautics or automation, both are, and aerospace, there are important topics. They are basically technologically intensive and demanding topics. And both fields, transportation, transportation is woven in our culture and in our society. So they are so important. Countries which have mastered these two technologies, we can call them the really advanced countries, the really developed countries. So you have really right topic you have chosen for this international conference. And this institution, I have found, during my first visit, I found it's a very upcoming institution, very pragmatic and progressive institution. The students who comes out of this institution, I was told, they really occupying a better and better place in the society, in various working, various institutions. This shows the importance given in this institution for the quality of education. That is what is important today. See, there are many private institutions in USA, UK, many other countries. You talk of them as Harvard University or Stanford University or any major university, Cambridge, Oxford. They are all started as small institutions and private institutions. They are not government funded. But today, they are the top universities. So I think one day, if the good efforts being put by the management of this great tech university, this university will find a very preeminent place in the society, in the country, in the world. That's what my wish for this institution. Should all put efforts for that. Again, coming to this topic, is almost, automobile engineering as old as 125 years. Carl Benz was the first person to talk about IC engines as back as 1886. That is the beginning of the journey of this automotive engineering. Coming to aerospace, first started aeronautics. That was almost 20 years in 1910 when the Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Then around 1957, when Russia has put in the orbit Sputnik satellite, aerospace engineering has developed there onwards. So this was done in 1957 on 4th October. That is the beginning of aerospace engineering in the faculty of engineering. They have added the word innovation in the title of the international conference. Innovation, design, analysis and development. What do you mean by innovation here? I want all my young students to know it. Innovation means doing a thing in a unique way. Everybody does something, but if you can do it in a different way, if you can do it in a unique way, then it is called innovation. You do it in a unique way because you find there is some advantage or some benefit, some utility. It could be comfort level is better, it could be economic, it could be fuel efficient, it could be more effective, it could be economically better. So it could be anything, but it is innovation. Recently, when I see Google has mentioned the driverless car. It's a concept. I'm very sure by 2020 you will find these cars. We have, of course, autonomous vehicles. CBR is working on an R&D is working autonomous ground vehicle. ADE and Aadhaar are working on autonomous air vehicles. And laboratories like NST is working on underwater autonomous vehicles. We call them submersibles and submarines. So, but here we are talking about This is Sebastian Ford. He is the man behind this project, and we are waiting to see how it's going. So there are those steps, Tata Nano innovation. Nobody can deny it. Basically, Tata Nano, you find three innovations. You observe that. One is modular design. See, Tata Nano, it comes as a kit. A trained automobile engineer can assemble it and make a car. So it is an innovation by itself. Second is, it's a low cost. Nobody can deny this. So it's another innovation. Thirdly, you will find it has got a very small footprint. The length of the car is only 122 inches. It's a very small car, especially for a countries like us where the space for travel, the roads are narrow, good cars. So it's innovation. We cannot say it's not innovation. One of the best innovations in the recent past. So when we talk of these two topics, we can broadly divide them into two regions, two categories. One is for military use, one is for civil society use. So, as Sulman has brought out military use, next to your university, the CVRD, they are working on the automotive vehicles required. That is Arjun Mark II, Arjun Mark I, these are all main battle tanks. So they automotive engineering design is basically a marvel. So there is a kind of military use. It could be track vehicles, military vehicles. Civilian use, you know, all the cars, bikes, all of that. So the more important, in both cases, challenges are there. Both are highly challenging in the design. You have to maintain quality, maintainability, reliability, and serving the purpose. So this is another important thing. Of course, in here has taken the national mission to develop a 1500 horsepower engine. It's a big challenge for the country. And the CBRD and the guidance of Dr. Sulman, they are guiding their leading the project. Another innovation is people are talking, they say Anjan.com, we are talking, we will have used micro elevators to deliver the goods. See, we know how to deliver the goods by post, by speed post, by courier. But now here is another example, they want to deliver it by micro elevators. For a couple of hours, the item, depending on longitude, latitude, GPS, it will land in your house. So it's going to be a reality. It's another innovation. You might have had the airplanes which when we traveled from Chennai to US, we used to have a stopover in one of the European countries, in London, Paris. But because of innovation, we have flights which can have a long haul, straight they can land in India. So the reason is very simple. We have found out if we give a coating on the skin of the aircraft, we call it printed coating. That coating reduces the skin friction drag. It reduces as much as 2 to 5%. That's why if the first Pacific flight for reaching Australia, Sydney, from here, they used to stop over at Singapore or someplace. Now they don't stop. They single how they take the passengers to see. It is because of the reduction of the drag. It's a great innovation, which is fuel efficient, has become more long range. In fact, this idea has come from by studying the mammals in the sea, like sharks, dolphins. They have found the skin has got a nice micro grooves. If we can limit those grooves on the aircraft also, we can reduce the drag, thereby getting more range. So it's another innovation. We use the reference for that. Now, other projects going on now called silent aircraft. This is between MIT and Cambridge. Right now going on this. You know why silent? Generally, we use the silent aircraft in the military. We call it as stealth planes. But in civil we also need a silent aircraft. That's a really technology right now currently going on in high 40. By 2023, we have aircraft, the noise of which does not cross the perimeter now they are doing for civilian aircraft. You know, in the next 5 years, the number of planes in India will be going to double. By 2025, there will be 5 times more aircraft in the sky. So the aircraft, like you have traffic on the road, you will find aircraft also in the sky. So we need a communication between track-to-track communication. This is going to be very complicated. So it's a challenge for the engineers to handle such things. You know, we had a Concorde planes, under 10 years back, we abandoned that. The Concorde plane was basically a supersonic jet. It goes almost 2 to 3 times, only the time period of travel. Now those Concorde planes were produced very heavy noise, which is called booms, sonic booms. Rattle the window panes and also damage the ear. So that's why they come out of the, and also of course highly fuel efficient. They used to weigh at least 2 tons of fuel before takeoff on the taxiing itself. So they have gone, but I think this is another lesson we have to learn. We have to put a very innovative thing in the Indian design. Now we have another very ambitious project in India for hyperplane. Hyperplane, we are talking about speed of sound is 5.5 times more than speed of sound. 5.5 Mach we call it. This will be a project, big project. That means whatever lessons we have learned in supersonic, we will be able to solve them. Others will not be able to. But Australia has achieved it. But we have a hyperplane to reach from Chennai to New York. It will take only hardly 4 hours. After 2 hours, we can have a landing at Paris, we can have a breakfast. By lunch, we can reach America. I'm sure the youngsters are going to get this before. Sometime other in the future, they will have such a hyperplanes to travel. So in war, no, the superiority of the Indian war is based on superiority of the aircraft they are having. They are having fighting jets like F-117, B-2 bomber, F-22 Raptor, they are all highly stealth planes. So this kind of, countries having this kind of planes, it is having a superiority in the war. Then you know, we need such planes. That's why we have to spend so much of money and effort to develop these planes. In fact, LCA, which was mentioned by the predecessor, is one of the such a very ambitious and we able to achieve it in the country. The aviation icon, I can tell you, is achieved by our scientists in India. They say the light combat aircraft, named Teja, is one of the, it costs about 120 crores. Same aircraft, if you want to buy it, it costs about 220 crores, 250 crores. And nobody is going to give it, you have to pay the money. So it is really great. But unfortunately, in civil sector, we have not made such a progress. We are not having our own aircraft. We are still taking aircraft. In countries like Brazil, Canada, they are having their own aircraft. But in India, somehow, we have missed this national, lack of proper national policy, whatever is comprehensive policy. We are not able to make our own civilian aircraft. Though we have achieved it in the defense, we are not able to do it in the same thing. Another technology which people should work is smart airplanes, smart wings of aircraft. It's like birds. So you want to achieve the fuel efficiency or very efficient engines, you must have smart wings. Smart wing is nothing but like a bird's wing. It's a very flexible wing and it is using the latest composite materials. You can mention the importance of materials in all these projects. Elastomer composites. If we have it, we can have such wings, smart wings. Like birds, the wings will get flatter. And such projects are going to come. I think people like youngsters, we should participate in such programs. And of course, we are also talking nano aeronautics, micro aeronautics. They are going to be based on mimicking insects. They are also going to be very important. Now, a lot of work is done. I've seen in Bangalore recently, they had a competition among the students to develop this kind of micro aeronautics and air vehicles and autonomous air vehicles. So, you know, air travel is no more a luxury, it is a necessity now. Everybody, especially a country like India, which is geographically big and different terrain, the aircraft industry has to grow like anything, it becomes very important. Recently, we have seen one aircraft land, Impulse solar aircraft. Based on solar energy, they are able to take see at laboratory level what we can do. So in fact, as I mentioned, the country's economy depends on these two various sectors. Not only if you are healthy in the sectors, the country is healthy. But if you are still importing like Volvo cars and some of those kind of. But I think there is scope for us to work on these areas and take the country forward if we can work in these projects. It's a very challenging project, but I can tell you, we are not lacking in technical expertise. We are not lacking in intelligence. All our youngsters are really the future of this country. They are really very good. And universities like Great Lake is training them. I am sure the capabilities are good. They are having the only thing we need is sound policies. There are a lot of procedures we have, but we don't have sound policies. But I think with time, those policies also will come. I think there is a lot of good future for you, for all the youngsters here. And I am sure with the intelligence and good young politicians coming into the field, there will be coherent and consistent national policies on this. So there are many areas which was touched upon by Chandrasekhar and research. There is a global networking is very important. We can't work in isolation. This is a country we should network. All the universities, all the departments, they should work in cohesion. So there is a concept called virtual manufacturing, virtual distributed manufacturing. These are the areas with the cloud computer system. Simultaneously, many groups can work and assemble the structure, whether it be a aircraft, automobile, or bridge, or anything. So this kind of concepts has to be taken forward by universities like Great Lake. And we are also talking about additive printing that is going to revolutionize, like internet has revolutionized additive printing. We also got 3D printing. We came from 10 to 20 years back. Only we were printing plastic components. But today additive printing we can do. We can have a design a car in front of you with your own machines. And recently NASA has developed machines which can print pizzas by automatically. So such additive printing technology, we have to catch up with that. People should start somebody to work how to convert a metal into nanometallic particles. Then with additive printing we can keep on building. All the engine heads, cylinders are now being made by additive printing. This is one area I think we should work. Then only we can become global leaders. Of course, there are other areas very health monitoring. Today, when Boeing is flying or Airbus is flying, automatically the data is collected by all the sensors and transmitted to the ground. Your pilot is not knowing what is wrong with his plane, but ground people know because the health diagnostics and prognostics, they know how the engine is performing each engine, how the wings are performing, how the structural strength is going to change under different critical conditions. They keep coming out the fuel. So when they find any variation, by the time the aircraft lands on the ground, the stamp is ready with all the components inventory, so that this is not a very health component. This is a very important area. It is required not only for automobile engineering, it is required especially in one area we have a lot of scope to work with. So the vehicle quality, these are very important, and we should not forget about environmental design. We should talk of less emissions, less noise pollution, less carbon dioxide, and better recycling component we should use in the system. This is all very important, especially in a growing country where urbanization is going to happen. We have to take care of these things. So price rise, fuel cost, these are all to take into consideration. There is a lot of scope for automotive engineering, fuel cell cars, hybrid cars. There is so much scope. We are not able to catch them. We are not able to make them still vibrant technology. This is one area where I can suggest organizations like Great Lake should work. We have to, I think, what we have to do is reorganize ourselves. We have to put emphasis on new topics, next generation propulsion, different types of materials, light materials, composite materials, and we should talk about supercomputing because we need everywhere high-speed computing, high-speed data management, how to high-speed transfer of this data. These are all important. And I think the university should play their role in producing the best human capacity development by training best engineers. Today we have 5 lakh engineers unemployed, we have 5 lakh jobs also going without engineers. There are vacancies, but they are not employed because the engineers produced are not really deployable immediately. They need training. suddenly somebody electronic, there is something to take. You should take on straight away good design and development work. Then only there will be that kind of soft skills, hard skills also should be imparted as part of the university curriculum. I think it's a very good conference, very good topic, right topic, challenging topic, exciting topic you have chosen, and I wish this conference a very great success. All delegates who have come from abroad and the Indian delegates, I am sure will get benefited by this, and I want to thank the management, Rangarajan and Mrs. Rangarajan and the management of this university for giving me this opportunity, and I wish you all of you the very best in your endeavors and very good conference. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, that was really informative. International conferences are always incomplete without the participation of delegates from other countries. But IDAC 2014 is privileged for participation of distinguished delegates from India as well as countries like Germany, Taiwan, USA and from other parts of the globe. In order to show our gratitude, I would like to ask the President to felicitate them. Dr. Pankaj K. Malik, University of Michigan, New York, USA. I call upon Professor Sunil.
2014, and the name itself, IDIAC 2014, says that the grand father of this, our university. I must first of all say that thanks to our founder president for his innovation or his own thinking of starting this IDIAC 2014. So my first thanks goes to our president for his spiritual and innovative ideas to bring this conference together. My thanks to the chief guest on the stage who is here and who has inaugurated this conference as well today, Dr. Rao, as well as special speech on this dais as a guest of honor by Shivkumar. And I must say thanks to all those who have sponsored this event today from various countries and from India itself. That is, I would say, conference is being sponsored and being given the support by the Brown University from offering that we have and also support of